Being prepared on the road is as easy as carrying a few tools. But what should be in your kit? ToolPRO makes this part easy with their 146-piece automotive toolkit. Unclasp and fold out the tool bag and you'll find an array of tools to help you with all kinds of tweaks and repairs. Nip up nuts and bolts with combination spanners and an adjustable wrench, or the ratchet and a selection of sockets. Keep screws and other fasteners in check with a hex key set, or flat and Phillips head screwdrivers, plus a multi-bit screwdriver with interchangeable tips. Even perform electrical repairs with wire strippers, a test light, electrical tape and a handful of crimp connections. You're not left wanting for pliers either, with 5 pairs for cutting, gripping and clamping. And to top it all off, a utility knife, hammer, tape measure, magnetic pickup tool and tyre pressure gauge will cover all your bases. Keep one in your box trailer, tuck one away in the boot and always have one in the back of the 4-wheel drive. Nobody wants to be stuck in the bush. Grab your ToolPRO 146-piece automotive toolkit today at Supercheap Auto.